Hello. The HAVA portable countertop dishwasher you mentioned offers several features to meet your dishwashing needs. Here are the key features of this product. Large capacity. Despite its compact size of 16.86 L, x 16.75 W x 18.05 H, this tabletop dishwasher has a large capacity. It can hold up to 4 full place settings and accommodate dishes up to 10.6 in size when loaded at an angle. The storage rack and cutlery basket make it easy to clean top rack only items like knives, forks, and spoons, freeing up more space for dishes and small pots. 5 wash cycle options and dry mode. The dishwasher supports 5 wash cycle options: normal, speed, soft, heavy, baby care, and fruit modes. This allows you to select the appropriate cycle for your specific dishwashing needs. After each wash cycle, there is an additional dry mode that provides 60 minutes of drying time. The dishwasher also offers 72-hour ventilated storage to prevent odors and keep your dishes clean. 360-degree cleaning without blind spots. With 14 water ports on the spray arms, this dishwasher provides 360-degree cleaning coverage. It ensures thorough rinsing and gives your dishes a sparkling clean finish, leaving no blind spots. Water and energy efficient. This dishwasher is designed to reduce water consumption by 75% compared to hand washing. It only consumes 5 liters of water per wash cycle, which is only a quarter of the amount used when hand washing. It operates at 950 W, making it an energy-saving choice for every family. To purchase the product and find more detailed information, you can click on the link provided below the video.